about it. Whoa, what the heck's going on? Maybe we want to take a different way home. That's crazy, honey.
It's probably, by then it'll be clear up.
No.
Tomorrow.
That was a lot of material for just one little car with guys sitting on the ground. Okay, so let's say here's a worst case scenario. He'd been spotted by a drone dumping fentanyl into the water supply and was gonna boogie back to his Butcher and Bakersfield laboratory in Delano and pick up more. No, you know what happened then? You'd have whirlybirds in the air. You'd have like some general going, "Shall we nuke the place, sir? We don't want this thing to get out." And look at, now these guys are just not coming to the back of the pack, except for one thing. Every minute you got another 50 cars, right? Yeah, you're screwed. That's probably screwed all the way to LA. Where are you gonna go? That's it. With that many units going that way and a full stop, forget it. Absolutely forget it. Good, and we got it on tape here first, so we're gonna sell this to Kigit, Fox News, and we may make a song about this even. Best crash, no wait, best freeway holdup of 2025 right here. And I'll actually be able to count the cars because you could run this thing through and the AL go. Now, if we get this whole thing and it's all chucked up, here we go. We got a big one coming up here. 5 miles an hour, 4 miles an hour, 3 miles an hour, 2 miles an hour, and whee! Oh no. That is the craziest trip. Yep. Oh boy. And I thought it was bad on the front end. Oh, I'm so grateful. Now this makes for a really cool shot because it's time lapse number one. Okay. So you have the relative speed of our cars. Then you got the practically standing still, but we're going through and letting the parade go. And then through the mirror up here, I don't know what direction those guys are going, but it looks like they're going at the speed of light. It's really something else. I got 3 layers of cars here. Yeah.
That is just crazy.
Oh, I think that's the tail end, right? Yeah. Give it
I have no idea what they're facing ahead of them.
Give it 5 minutes, right? This will be blocked up. The next 5 minutes, the next mile, they better get it on. Oh, now's the big split. Yeah, we won't know how bad it is until test day. And who knows, by the time we get to that other part, maybe that end will have been like, yeah, it looks normal up there. Surprise! Boy, if I had like a sky ready. Oh my gosh, that's it. Jan. Oh no. Okay, think about this, right? You have planes at the beach. They used to puff, puff, puff and have copper tone and da-da-da-da. What's said about a small little fleet of 5 drones have the smoke thing, and now you could have like birthday wishes. You could have anything up there puffed in the sky. Have you seen any skywriting drones? That's it. No one's ever thought of it. Normally they think of, the light show, the laser show, but they don't. Now maybe it's difficult to get the puffinator up there, unless you're the government or working for a commercial airline. Okay, these guys got it. Well, the only way to do this now is to pull up the traffic report on this side, and we can watch that little red light get longer and longer and longer. So what is that, MapQuest? What do you do?
You could just do I-5 traffic.
Yeah. Oh, what's it called?
I-5 traffic.
We have one other area in this issue.
Los Angeles I-5 traffic.
Yeah. We're in the dead zone.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is it. Make no mistake about it. Yeah, well, the thrill's gone now.